let's start with chapter number 8, Keeping Our Neighborhood. In this chapter, we will study about neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The people living near our house are known as our neighbors, and it is called our neighborhood. Everyone wants to be healthy, and the disease are caused by the germs which breed in wasted dirty water. Thus, if a person lives in dirty surrounding, he may be prey of dangerous disease like cholera, plague, and typhoid. Because wherever we are living, we need to live a healthy life and strong. So, if you are living near the places where there is a dirty place or a water which is देखा ना रुका हुआ पानी होता है, where there is dirty water which is standing still, which it will cause disease like typhoid, आपको diarrhea हो जाएगा. These all are water-borne diseases. Human activities produce both solid and liquid waste. These are the two types of wastes, and these wastes are known as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Degradable wastes क्या होता है? It includes material like peels, leaves, and paper. They rot easily, वो easily rot हो जाते हैं and mix with the soil. और वो क्या करते हैं? Soil के साथ mix हो जाते हैं. And material like plastic, aluminum things are non-degradable. They do not decay but remain in the environment and cause pollution. आपका plastic हो गया. It is non-degradable waste. It's do not degrade, it's do not beyond its same, and it's do not get decayed in the environment. So they are known as non-degradable waste. And what they cause? They cause pollution to our environment. Now, effects of littering and waste accumulation of the surround. What will happen if garbage piles up? It gives rise to flies, mosquito, and rats. These leads to spread of disease. देखो जहाँ गार्बेज इकट्ठा होता है वहाँ पे फ्लाइज होते हैं, मॉस्किटोज होते हैं. उनसे क्या होता है? That these mosquito cause diseases to the people who are living nearby those places. Flies sit on the dirt where germs breed, and flies carry germs on their legs and deposit them where they sit. And thus, if they sit on the food, the germs are left on the food, and we eat food and get diarrhea. देखो जो flies होती हैं, they sit गार्बेज वगैरह पे जाके बैठ जाती हैं, वो जर्म्स होते हैं उनके लेग्स पे स्टिक हो जाते हैं. एंड देयर एवर दे गो एंड सिट दे कॉज डिजीज टू दैट पर्सन और अ पीपल. ठीक है. फूड इफ दे सिट ऑन द फूड, इट दे वो क्या लगता है? फूड को डर्टी कर देता है, और उससे क्या होता है? as you eat that food you may get sick. Dirty surroundings, especially stagnant water, breed mosquito. These bites people and suck blood. Germs present in the person's blood is also sucked up. When the mosquito bite healthy person, the germs are passed on, causing illness. Now, if there is a dirty surrounding, stagnant water, अगर रुका हुआ पानी है, stagnant water है, तो वहाँ पे mosquito germs breed करते हैं. ठीक है. जैसे ही आपको mosquito बीमार से आपको उसने खाया, इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन को वो आके बैठा, उसको काटा, उसका ब्लड सक करा और आपको ही कर दिया. और जो आपका ब्लड दूसरे को जाके काटेगा, एक हेल्थी पर्सन को, अगर उसको भी काट लेगा जाके, तो वो भी क्या हो जाएगा? बीमार. ठीक है. The germs are passed and it will cause illness. What it will cause? Illness. Rats live among the garbage and dirt and cause lot of damage. देखो जो rats होते हैं वो garbage में रहते हैं, dirt में रहते हैं, and they cause lot of damage. They spread fatal disease like plague. They bite human being, and what they do, they also damage our human eye. हमारे तो हाउस आर्टिकल्स होते हैं, हाउसफुल आर्टिकल्स होते हैं, उनको भी डैमेज. It is important to keep the surrounding clean, and you have to dispose the garbage correctly. Garbage should be collected in a garbage bags through dustbin. There are local agencies like municipal corporation which are responsible for disposing of garbage in the ways that will do not harm the environment. जबकि municipal corporations हैं, they are working on proper disposal of garbage, जिससे आप environment dirty ना हो, disease spread ना हो. Mostly आपने देखा होगा डेंगू जैसे disease, malaria, they are caused by the mosquito bite. Now, disposal of waste. Some people throw waste on the road and some people throw out of their office and house. It is not good task. The dirt, the surrounding and danger the disease increase. और जो disposal of waste है एक serious matter of concern. ठीक है. Disposal of waste is a serious matter of concern. Like some people, what they do, they throw waste outside their house, outside their factories or industries, and some throw like nearby their houses. It is not good. There should be proper disposal of waste. आपको properly waste को dispose of करना चाहिए because it may cause disease. Now, disposing of solid waste. The garbage is thrown in one place which is far away from the cities. No people will get affected by it. But it is not safe way for dumping the garbage because it pollutes the air by fog, smell and breathing the air. Now, अगर आपको solid waste को dispose करना है तो वो में dispose it to थोड़ी far off places पे जाके आप dispose करें जहाँ पे लोग ना आए. लेकिन it is also not a good way because what happens, it exposed to the environment and it increases the pollution. जिससे क्या होता है आपका भाई एयर में जब ये कंटामिनेट हो जाएगा तो when the other people will breathe, they will breathe the bad oxygen gas will cause to damage to. Open dumping. A place is choosing far away from the town or cities, garbage is thrown in the open. This causes pollution, so it is not good method. Therefore, open dumping, it is also not a good method. Open dumping, it is also not a good method. In this, what happens? Open में garbage को throw करता. Next is compost pit. ये popular method है which is used in villages. Waste is put into a hole in the ground and left to dig. The change of waste to manure which is used to grow. आप ये क्या करते हैं, एक होल कर देते हैं, उसमें वेस्ट को भरते रहते हैं और जब तक वेट करते हैं तब तक वो मैन्योर में चेंज, फिर उसका वो क्या करते हैं, यूज करते हैं एज अ मैन्योर टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स. Next is burning. In some cases, best method of disposal of waste by burning it, but it may cause air pollution. उससे क्या हो जाता है, air pollution. Recycling of water in cities through drains. Water is collected from the household and it takes two large water recycling plants. The waste is separated from solid waste when this water is filtered. तो इस वाटर को फिल्टर करा जाता है, इसमें से डर्ट रिमूव करा जाता है, डस्ट और सॉइल सब कुछ रिमूव करा. After the waste, after this water is treated, then various chemicals like chlorine tablets are there. They are added to remove and kill germs. Now this water becomes fit for drinking and is supplied to houses through pipes. फिर हम इसको supply करते हैं houses में किसके through pipes. A largest dumping site of plastic is not a landfill, but क्या है? It's a specific host. Now, reusing waste material. There are two ways we can reuse things. How? First is using recycled thing or using an old item of different purpose and making packets from old newspaper. Old newspapers भी हम बना सकते हैं, packets बना सकते हैं. तो ये क्या है? ये recycling. Now our chapter has been completed. I will quickly revise what all we have studied in this chapter. I have told you about some techniques how we can dispose of the waste. There are different methods. एक तो आप ओपन डंपिंग कर सकते हैं, कंपोस्ट पिट कर सकते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट मेथड. वेस्ट को हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था, डिग्रेडेबल जो इजीली डिग्रेड हो सकता है, नॉन डिग्रेडेबल जो डिग्रेड नहीं हो. ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज होते हैं वो दो तरीके के वेस्ट प्रोवाइड करती है जो मैंने आपको बता दिया. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद एक्सरसाइज ऑफ द चैप्टर. Take the correct option. Human activities produce both solid and dash waste. Liquid, plastic, or solid. We should keep our surrounding air clean, yes, soil. Please. Garbage should be collected in a dash bag. Garbage bag, dustbin bags, या bag. Everyone wants to be fatty, healthy, or sick. हर कोई क्या चाहता है कि हम कैसे हैं? Healthy. Dash places chosen far from the city. Open dumping, burning या compost. Open dumping. Next is fill in the blanks. Plastic is a dash waste. It is non-degradable. कैसा waste है? Non. Dash is not a good method of waste disposal. Glass dash be recycled. There are both dash and dash waste, दो तरीके के waste होते हैं. Degradable and non some people throw garbage on the bin. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is the rainbow has same color to make a spectrum. False. Same नहीं होते, different color होते हैं. And there are 7 colors जिन्हें हम Vibgyor के नाम से जाते हैं. Violet, indigo, blue, yellow, orange and green. A waste is produced due to natural activities. False. Human activities. Waste किसकी वजह से produce होता है? Human activities. Landfill is the method of disposing of garbage by burning. Landfill. It's true. We should throw the waste on the road. It's false. Next is the germs cause various disease. It's true. Germs से क्या हो जाती है? Germs से हमें बहुत सारी various disease हो जाती हैं. Next is answer the following question. Define degradable waste. Degradable waste are the waste that can be degraded easily or can be recycled easily. Why do we need to keep our surrounding clean? We should keep our surrounding clean to remain fit and healthy and disease-free. How do we dispose of solid waste? There are different methods. Compost fit कर सकते हैं, open dumping कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? These are the different methods. Name some things that can be recycled. Paper. Paper recycle हो सकता है. ठीक है? आपको बताने को चीजें जिनको हम इजीली रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं. That as paper. What kind of bag should we use and why? आपको कैसे पेपर बैग यूज करने चाहिए? क्योंकि वो क्या होता है, इजीली रिसाइकिल हो जाता है. टिक द करेक्ट वर्ड. Bread spread disease like plant. We should keep our surrounding clean. Everyone wants to be healthy or fatty? Healthy. Germs are passed on causing illness. Garbage should be thrown in dustbin or road. Dustbin. Now complete the spelling. Here are some spelling events. You have to complete them. This is disease. This is cholera. This is degradable. This is municipal. This is pollution. And this is serious. These are the words we have completed, like disease, cholera, degradable, municipal, pollution, and serious. Now our chapter has been completed. We have done with the exercise. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.